feeling sick. Honey, I feel terrible today.
Really? What's wrong?
My head hurts a lot.
Oh, no. Anything else?
Yes, my throat hurts too.
You probably caught a cold.
Maybe. I feel very weak.
Sit down and relax.
I don't even want to move.
I will make you some hot tea with honey.
That sounds good.
Tea with honey is good for your throat.
I hope it helps.
Did you check your temperature?
Not yet.
You should check it.
Okay, I will.
Do you want something for your headache, too?
Yes, please. Do we have any tablets?
Yes, we have paracetamol.
Great.
Here, take 1 tablet now.
Thank you.
And drink a lot of water, too.
Okay.
You really don't look well today.
I know. I felt bad at work, too.
Maybe you should stay home tomorrow.
Maybe.
And I think you should call the doctor.
Do you really think so?
Yes, it could get worse.
I hope not.
It's better to be careful.
You're probably right.
Call tomorrow morning if you still feel bad.
Okay, I will.
Good. Now drink your tea.
Thank you for taking care of me.
Of course.
You're the best.
I know.
Booking a doctor's appointment.
Good morning, City Health Clinic. How can I help you?
Hello. I need to book an appointment with a doctor.
Of course. What seems to be the problem?
I feel very sick since yesterday.
What symptoms do you have?
I have a fever, a headache, and a sore throat.
Any other symptoms?
No, just that. I feel weak.
All right. Please hold for a moment.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for waiting. The earliest appointment is today at 6 p.m. Can you come at 6 p.m. today?
Yes, that works for me.
Great. I'll book that for you.
Thank you.
I just need your details now.
Okay.
What is your full name?
My name is Tom Parker.
What is your date of birth?
It is March 12th, 1985.
What is your phone number?
It is 555-018-3749.
Do you have health insurance?
Yes, I do.
Perfect. Your appointment is confirmed for today at 6 p.m.
Okay, thank you.
Please arrive 10 minutes early.
Okay, I will be there early.
When you arrive, check in at the front desk.
I will. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Doctor consultation, Mr. Parker?
Yes, that's me.
Please come in and take a seat.
Thank you, doctor.
What brings you in today?
I feel very sick. I have had a fever since yesterday.
Do you have any other symptoms?
Yes, I have a headache and a sore throat.
Do you have a cough?
Yes, a little cough.
I understand. Let me check you.
Okay.
Your throat is quite red and your temperature is high.
Is it serious?
It looks like an infection. I will prescribe you some medicine.
Okay, thank you.
I will also give you an antibiotic.
All right.
You need to take it twice a day after food.
Okay, I will do that.
You should rest at home for 1 week.
1 week?
Yes, no work for 7 days.
Okay, I understand.
I will also give you a sick note for your employer.
Thank you.
Drink a lot of water and rest.
I will.
If you feel worse, come back or call us.
Okay.
The pharmacy is downstairs in the building. You can pick up your medicine there.
That's very helpful, thank you.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Thank you, doctor. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
At the pharmacy. Hello. How can I help you today?
Hi. I have a prescription for my doctor.
Sure. Can I see the prescription, please?
Yes, of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Give me a moment while I prepare your medicine.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Parker. Your doctor prescribed an antibiotic and pain medicine.
Okay.
The antibiotic should be taken twice a day after meals.
Twice a day after food?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay.
The pain medicine can be taken every 6 hours if needed.
All right.
Do you have any allergies to medicine?
No, I don't.
Good. Your total today is $18.50.
Okay.
Also, we have a special promotion today.
Really?
Yes, vitamin C and vitamin D are only $4.99 each.
That sounds good.
Many people take them during cold and flu season.
I think I will take them.
Great choice. Would you like one of each?
Yes, please.
Perfect. I will add them to your order.
Thank you.
Your new total is $28.48.
I will pay by card.
Okay, please tap your card on the machine.
All right.
All done.
Thank you.
Here are your medicines and vitamins.
Thanks.
Remember to finish all the antibiotics.
Okay, I will.
I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
At home after the doctor's visit.
Hi, honey, you're home. How do you feel?
I still feel pretty bad.
How was the doctor's appointment?
The doctor said I have an infection.
Oh, no. Did he give you any medicine?
Yes, he prescribed an antibiotic and some pain medicine.
Did you already go to the pharmacy?
Yes, I picked up everything downstairs.
Good. What did you get?
I got the antibiotic, pain medicine, and some vitamins.
Vitamins?
Yes, the pharmacist said vitamin C and D were on sale.
That sounds useful.
I bought some for you, too.
That's sweet. Thank you.
The pharmacist said many people take them during cold and flu season.
That makes sense.
The doctor also told me to stay home for 1 week.
1 whole week?
Yes, he gave me a sick note for work.
Well, you really need to rest.
I know. I feel very tired.
Did the doctor say anything else?
He told me to drink a lot of water and get plenty of rest.
That sounds like good advice.
I hope I feel better soon.
You will. Just give it some time.
Thank you.
I made soup for you.
Really? That sounds amazing.
Yes, I made chicken soup. It's still warm.
Thank you, honey.
Go lie down on the couch or in bed.
Okay, I will.
I'll bring you dinner in a few minutes.
All right.
And I'll make you some hot tea, too.
That sounds perfect right now.
Just relax and get some rest tonight.
I will. Thank you for taking care of me.
Talking after school. Hi, Dad.
Hey, sweetie. How was school today?
It was great.
That's good to hear. What did you do today?
We had science and art class. It was really fun.
Nice. Do you have any homework?
Yes, I do. I also have a math test tomorrow.
A math test?
Yes, and I'm a little nervous.
Did you study for it?
Yes, Mom studied with me yesterday for a few hours.
That's very good.
We practiced a lot of math problems.
I'm proud of you.
Thanks, Dad.
Do you feel ready for the test?
I think so. I just want to study a little more tonight.
That sounds like a good idea.
Dad, do you feel better now?
Yes, I do. I think I will be healthy tomorrow.
Really?
Yes, the medicine is helping already.
I'm happy to hear that.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Are we still going on our bike trip this weekend?
Of course we are.
Yay!
And if you get an A on your math test, I will buy you a huge ice cream.
Really? A huge ice cream?
Yes, a very big one.
That sounds amazing.
Then you need to do your best on the test.
I will.
I know you can do it.
In that case, I'm going to study a little more now because I really want that ice cream.
Good idea.
See you later, Dad.
See you later, sweetheart. Good luck with your studying.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Thanks so much, and good luck with your English learning.